Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh Parochi. I'm a self-taught UIUX designer. I work remotely from home, and in this video I will show you my complete daily routine as a freelance UX designer. So keep watching. I start my day by checking my email for new updates and clients' messages. I also check my Behance daily because I get most of the clients from Behance. And finally, I check Discord servers for any updates or design requests. I also check my PayPal account to see if any client has sent a payment or if any transaction is pending. After doing all of this, I start my work. I don't actually use a to-do list for daily tasks because everything I need to do is in my head. I just pick up where I left off yesterday, and for meetings, I have reminders. So everything works fine for me. Right now, I am working with 3 clients. One is from California, another is from Algeria. Both have event ticket booking platform, but they are different. My third client is from Bengaluru, and they run a CTO as a service agency, which means they build tech solution for other startups, and I am helping them redesigning their website. Right now, I am working on Algerian project. I am designing an event creation flow. This flow is for organizers who will be creating their events using this flow on the platform. I choose wizard design for this because after my research I found that the event creation process is very complex. It includes multiple details like event date, time, location, also ticket categories. There will be different ticket categories with different pricing, event guidelines like who can attend the events and what is allowed, what is not allowed. Also, there will be participants like who is performing at this event. This is an artist or team, vendors, sponsors. So there will be a lot of details that organizer will have to enter. I always prefer wizard design for this kind of complex process because wizard design breaks complex process into simple steps. By this, user don't feel overwhelmed, and it also gives a sense of progress. User can easily see how many steps they have to follow to complete the process and on which step they are right now. It also reduces cognitive load. I already simplified this process by breaking it down into simple steps. Now I just need to create a UI design for this flow. As a UX designer, you should always give priority to usability over aesthetics. Your design should be clean, intuitive, and easy to use. And most importantly, it should solve users' problems. The design will look good on its own. You just have to keep a few important UI design principles in mind. For example, typography, spacing, visual hierarchy, and a little bit of color theory. I believe if you learn these design principles, you can design anything. I just finished this event creation flow and tagged my client on these designs. Now I will work on Bengaluru project and I will design a landing page for their CTO as a service platform. To design this, first I will look for some inspiration and I will create a mood board. Then I will start designing. For this Bengaluru client, I have already done research and brainstorming like how many sections there will be on landing page, what each section will have, and how they will be in order. I have been working on this for the last 4-5 days and I conducted few interviews, did competitive analysis, UX audit, and now finally it's time to create high fidelity designs. The final design for this landing page is ready. I will tag my client and jump to the California project. For this California project, I am designing a support page for the admin dashboard. The purpose of this page is to monitor and manage customer issues. I am checking the client's document to see what their requirements are for this page. Now I am creating wireframes for this support page. I always use real UX writings instead of lorem ipsum because real UX writings helps client understand each section better and they can understand the purpose of each section easily. It's 6 p.m. now and I'm finally done with the support page wireframes. Now I will tag my client on Figma and add comments about how everything work on support page, what section is for what, and if he doesn't understand anything, he will leave comment on Figma and I will check his comment tomorrow.